So I'm on a bit of a pitch. I just did a turnaround that freaked me out a little bit, but I made it. I'm probably in a little over my head, especially with a brand new motor that's got 100 and 200, probably 260 miles on it.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing.
Well, we are going camping today, Eric and I, and so have a few things to get set up done before we do that. One is we got to put the carpet in the floor of the iCamper, which was being done last year, and never got done. I thought it was done, but a year is a long time, so we're gonna go do that right now. Hopefully that doesn't take very long, and then we're gonna kind of gather up supplies and gear and head out, trying to get going by about noon today. So Eric's got to get some school done, and we'll see how this goes, but we're excited just to get out for a night, and we'll kind of take you along with us. So we're getting close to, right?
Yeah.
There you go. We're getting close to going. Got the carpet in. We're loaded up. Kind of taking a lot for just a night, but we have Mr. Buddy heater. Can you see that? Mr. Buddy heater. We've got our stove, our table, and then our fire brake or fire deflector. I'll show you that. I haven't used that yet. Drones. And propane, our cook stuff. So we're just gonna kind of have fun and try out some of this stuff, because the Stanley cook set I haven't used yet, and the fire. Here, let me show you what this thing is. It is that guy right there, MC Ranch Overlanding. I'll show it to you. When we get to set up and stuff. Epic Family Road Trip, they use it, and that's kind of where I got the idea. So because it seems to work really well just to reflect the heat. So back from the fire, and there isn't a fire ban right now in Colorado, or at least in Park County where we're going to be going. So we should be able to have a fire. So anyway, the other thing I have to do yet is there's Eric. We have to get the X pads mattresses flattened down a little bit, and then we're going to close up the tent. So let me show you that. Already, what? Done, as in they're
already flattened.
All right, let's see. So they're flattened. So this one has to go on top of that one to fold back, and then we have to take the poles down. But that's going to be us tonight. Should be nice. It's not supposed to be as cold as it's been the last few days, so I'm happy with that. I think it's going to be, at least where we are at 7,200 feet, about 51 at night, but it'll probably be more in the 40s. So we will, once we get rolling, we will take you along. So we got going earlier than I thought, like about 10 minutes before noon, and we are now at our junction heading southwest, about 50 minutes from our house. So we're gonna stop here at lunch at a cool little place off of Highway 285. I think it's Coney Island hot dogs. It's a big hot dog, so we'll show you that when we get there. What are you thinking, Eric?
Hot dog.
Hot dog? Okay.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. because we are stopped for lunch. We only went about 15 minutes. We are at the famous Coney Island hot dogs behind me. Or, no, that's not it. Anyway, let me show you. It's this place. If you've never been here in Colorado, 285, you need to go here. It's all locally sourced, and the hot dogs, brats, the fries are all from Colorado. So it's pretty cool. Let me just show you. See, it's the hot dog. Hot dog. And it's right next to the North Fork of the South Platte River. Some great fly fishing, so it's flowing really good right now. Okay, so we got our dogs from Continental Deli, Boardwalk. There we go, right there. I'm going to show you what they are. These are the footlongs from Continental Deli, and then it's home fresh cut fries. So let me just show you that here. Look at those footlongs with sauerkraut. Eric is, this is going to be his first time doing sauerkraut, trying it. Are you excited? Why don't you give us a bite, man? Let's try it. Give us your honest opinion. Don't spew on camera.
Not bad.
Not bad. Get a bit of sauerkraut in there. Yeah.
Whoa.
Cool. All right. 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. All right.
How do you feel?
I'm excited. Mod needs this
Very
after
much.
a year of I think we camped like right in there, I think, before they put all the rocks and stuff up around here, because the creek is right through here now.
Yeah.
All right, we found a spot. We went pretty far back on, I think it's Deer Creek Road. I'll have to look at the map. But we went pretty far back on the road because it was busy, and because it's an easy, it's a nice easy drive from Denver. But the road gets pretty rough, and so that was Maud's first off-road. So on the way out, I'm gonna air down. But anyway, there's our, there's Eric. So we are, let me just show you. Nice fire pit. These are all designated camping national forests that we don't have to pay for. So, so we're gonna park right there. We'll level off a little bit, bring out so we can get the awning out and then get the tent popped up. But it's a really pretty spot.
Yeah, it's perfect. I think.
Good. Which is just down here. I think it's Deer Creek. We're gonna go. There's a little trail. We're gonna go check it out first before we set up camp. So let's do that. Very irony.
Look at it.
Pretty. Very much filled with iron. What do you think?
Pretty fun.
Good spot? All right, here we go. It is dinner time. The sun is dropping, and a certain child is hungry.
Bless you.
Yeah. So we're going all out and doing a little voila. This is, I mean, generally I think, no, this isn't a microwave, so we're gonna throw this in a pot. Supreme pizza skillet is what it is. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the new Stanley cook set, which I've not used yet. So that is, that's what's the game plan tonight, which is cool because it's got like cutting board, it's got a frying pan. We're just gonna do the big pot, like frying pan. That'll be for tomorrow for the sausage and eggs. There's a couple of different pots that we'll be able to use, pot holders. But tonight we're going to use the big pot and cook up some. We're gonna cook up some voila. Stay tuned. So we've found a new purpose for part of the rack on Mod. You want to see? It's a balcony. What's going on, dude?
Nothing much.
Got a little balcony action going on? A little enjoying the views?
Pretty unsafe balcony. I'm like, literally
Don't move very far.
like 2 inches away.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, you want to see my view?
Where's your view?
That way.
Okay, we're gonna go around this way. Yeah, it's okay. Think it's okay? All right.
This is my view. I'm sitting all the way up here.
All right, a little bit of pasta, voila.
Voila.
Voila. Sweet. Go ahead, just go get your stuff. I'm like, in the future, I will cook real food, not just pre-bought, but
Not pre-bought.
it's not pre-bought.
It's good for food.
What is pre-bought?
Hot.
Gotta love those metal plates. All right. There's the pasta with the magware. Hope this is gonna be good. I mean, I think it is. It seems like it's gonna be really tasty. We are crawling into bed. It is, I don't know even what time it is. Close to 7. And what are we doing, Eric?
It's 6:39.
6:39. So what are we gonna do?
Sleep.
Yes. Before that, movie.
We're watching a movie.
We're gonna watch Jungle Cruise, or a movie. Where are you?
Jungle Cruise.
Okay. So we're up in the iCamper, and it shouldn't be a super cold night tonight, thankfully.
Your feet are dirty.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Gross. We do have the heater, the buddy heater, if we need to kick that on just to warm things up a little bit. But we had a good day today. Lots of traffic coming through near us and people turning around because they can't find spots. So we are gonna call it a night, watch the movie, and then tomorrow we are gonna get up, we're gonna get up and do our breakfast, and then I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna air down and we're gonna see how far the road goes, because this road goes pretty far, and I want to bring our Avery, my youngest daughter, camping probably the next week or two, so we'll probably come out here as well, and so I want to see how far it goes, because it kind of seems like the further back we get, the rougher the road gets, less people. So well, good morning. We slept in a little bit today. It's about, I don't know, about 8. It's a little chilly, but had a decent night's sleep. It didn't get as cold as I thought it was going to get. Our Teton bags, sorry, my Trek. I was looking at something else. Our Teton bags, our 0-degree bags, did pretty well. Eric got a little chilly because he didn't have his zipped up. But it is a beautiful day. If you can just see, there's the sun bright shining through. So I'm about to get my coffee on, and I think then we're gonna make some breakfast up, some eggs and some awesome home sausage out of Texas, and pack it up, air down, and then we're gonna follow this road. We're gonna kind of go and see how far back it goes. Okay, I got the fire going and have coffee ready to go. That's right. There. And Eric is maybe getting up. It's beautiful, a little bit of a breeze, but I mean, just check out that view. The fall colors coming through. Just gorgeous. Lucas, Colorado. Good morning, sunshine. How'd you sleep?
Fine.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought it was, I mean, you got a little cold.
At 5 a.m. I started warming.
Mm-hmm. When you figure out your zipper was undone.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was, surprisingly, I was warm. I didn't have to have my toque on.
Good for you.
I actually felt like, I actually woke up and my nose was warm, not cold. I was like, this is weird because it was warm inside, but anyway. So you want some hot chocolate?
Sure.
All right. We're gonna get some hot chocolate going and then work towards some breakfast. Beautiful eggs and sausage. So what are you doing, Eric?
Airing down the tires.
For why?
Smoother ride.
Yeah. It's pretty rough coming in here. Yeah. Yeah. Do you know what we're going down to? How many pounds PSI?
18.
About 20. But close.
So, we are leaving the campsite
We are.
at a kind of slow pace.
Yeah. No, we did it pretty good. For two of us.
Yep. And we will check in once we start getting on the road.
So I'm on a bit of a pitch. I just did a turnaround that freaked me out a little bit, but I made it. I'm probably in a little over my head, especially with a brand new motor that's got 100 and 200, probably 260 miles on it. But here's my view.
Saturday morning at Kenosha stuff. This is how busy it is, man.
It's so busy. I've never seen this busy, and I've been up here enough times. Holy.
It's just been getting paved and paved.
Yeah.
So it's just
They paved this section. The section below was dirt. It was up here. This was done, I think. But so now it's just made it that much worse.
Yeah.
Who would have thought traffic up here? Traffic jam. Dude, sheep.
Oh, what the heck?
Hey, thanks for watching the video. Consider subscribing and maybe hit that like button and leave a comment or two. We always could use the encouragement. Have a great day. Cheers.